Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The removal of the 1, 10 and 25-cent coins from circulation will take effect this Thursday. The coins will no longer be usable, but the central bank says the action will affect only cash transactions. It says after the coins are removed from circulation, cash transactions should be rounded up or down to the nearest dollar. It says the rounding up or down should affect total bill and not individual items unless that is the only item being bought. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $126.55. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.33. The pound sterling is going for $174.57, while the euro is selling for $156.44. The British High Commission is urging Jamaicans to see Britain as a viable market for their products. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has the details.
Any business person wanting to link up with the UK, we will make it happen.
That message from the British High Commissioner to Jamaica, His Excellency Asif Ahmad, at a press briefing at the British High Commission in St. Andrew on Monday. The British High Commission says it's on a mission to strengthen its relationship with Jamaica and wants to do so through business. The British High Commissioner wants small and medium-sized enterprise in Jamaica to tap into the UK market.
In the UK, there are people who are labeling Ghanaian and other West African products as being sourced from Jamaica. There are people who are a little bit more honest and they say Jamaican-style products. What's stopping a Jamaican from selling real Jamaican food and processed or otherwise into the UK? Nothing except the will to do so.
Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports Olivia Grange welcomes the move, as she believes a stronger trading relationship between Jamaica and the UK can multiply the contribution of the creative industry to the country's GDP.
This could be a great opportunity to unleash the economic potential of the creative and cultural industries, particularly in the areas of music, film, fashion, art, design, and sport.
For the Business Day, I'm Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Anthony. Now, on the stock exchange, the JSE index gained more than 1,761 points today, while the junior market index gained 25. Stocks posting gains included AMG Packaging and Paper, Siboney Group, Knutsford Express, Lasco Manufacturing, Portland JSX, Seprod, and Wisynco Group. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cable and Wireless, Caribbean Producers, Fosrich, JMMB Group, Radio Jamaica, and VM Investments.